Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be cooking cassava cake. And here are our ingredients. For our cassava mixture, we need 2 packs of grated cassava, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can coconut milk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And for our toppings, we need 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup condensed milk, 2 egg yolks, and grated cheese. First step, we need to preheat our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While preheating the oven, beat the eggs in a separate bowl. Then guys, ihalo na natin ang sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Then add in the evaporated milk. And lastly, our condensed milk. Guys, I just want to remind you that this step is totally optional. You can directly pour the milk, sugar, and egg into the grated cassava, tas haluin. But then, I just want to make sure that the sugar and the condensed milk are well dissolved and totally incorporated sa ating milk mixture bago natin ihalo sa ating grated cassava. After nating mahalo, we'll set this aside and we'll prepare our cassava mixture. In a clean separate bowl, we'll put in our 2 packs of grated cassava. So guys, I'm using a store-bought frozen cassava since mahirap or bibihira kang makakita ng raw or fresh na cassava dito abroad. I completely thawed it. After that, we'll be adding our coconut milk. Haluin lang natin to well incorporate the coconut milk into the grated cassava. Then, ihalo na natin ang melted butter. And lastly, let's pour in our milk mixture into our grated cassava. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Let's set this aside and we'll prepare our baking pan. Let's grease our baking pan with melted butter. O ayan guys, tumutunog na ang ating oven. That means na-reach na niya ang 350 degrees and we're ready for baking. So after natin mag-grease ang ating baking pan, i-pour in na natin dito ang ating cassava mixture. And now, ready na ang ating cassava cake to go into the oven. Carefully slide them into the oven. well I'll set our cooking time into 45 minutes. If our cassava cake is halfway done, we can start mixing our toppings. To make our toppings, just mix the egg yolks, the coconut milk, and the condensed milk into our mixing bowl. Ayan guys, luto na ang ating cassava cake. Get the cassava from the oven, then pour the toppings over your baked cassava. Spread evenly our toppings, then sprinkle natin with grated cheese. Make sure lang natin that the cassava is firm and cooked before putting our toppings. Then we'll put it back into the oven and broil it for 5 minutes. There you go guys, our napakasarap na cassava cake. For your comments and suggestions, please feel free to drop them at the comment section box below. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon notification for more videos like this. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!